Okay, so as test coordinator for Leap 360, the first task I need for you to do is listed here in Canvas in the Canvas course, and then notice I have test coordinator task, and this is your first one. So if you click on it, the first task deals with accessing the portal and verifying access to diagnostic interim 2020-21. And so if you click on it, it says you have been granted the administration of diagnostic interim 2020-21, and it asks you to go to the DRC portal to log in. So you can either click on this or you can just type in the URL la.drcedirect.com. Now be careful because there is an E in there. Many people forget about the E. They just say DRC Direct. It's supposed to be drcedirect.com. Alright, and if this is your first time logging into DRC or you forgot your password, when you click on this, just click on the words "forgot password," and then they'll send you a link to change your password. Um, then you're going to verify that you have administration diagnostic interim by following these steps. Now, you can watch the video, which you are obviously doing now, or you can just follow the steps. Go to My Applications, then click on Test Management. Then the next thing you're going to do is click on Manage Test Sessions. Then you're going to click on the tab Manage Test Sessions, and then use the drop-down menu for administration to verify you have access to the Diagnostic Interim 2020-21. It should be one of those listed. If you don't see this, just email me to let me know. Alright, so let's go here. So we're going to click on this, and then notice this shows up. So you're going to type in your username. So the username is what I put in. That is when in a little while I'm going to show you how to change your profile, but that's your username. Will be your EBR email address, or if you're a charter school, whatever the email of your organization is. So let's see. So you just type in your username. Again, that's your EBR email address, or if your charter schools, whatever your organization email address is. Then your password. All right, and then sign in. And notice you saw the forgot password right there. Okay, so I want you to go to My Applications, then scroll down until you see Test Management. So when you see Test Management, click on that, and then you're going to click on Manage Test Sessions right here. And then notice the two tabs, and this is where you're going to, in one of the future tasks very soon, you're going to create test sessions, but there are two tabs: Manage Test Sessions and Upload Multiple Test Sessions. Almost everyone rarely ever uploads multiple test sessions because it does have to be in a specific file. So it's easier just to manage test sessions this way. Okay, so what I want you to do is go to Administration right here, and you see that drop-down menu. Just verify that you do have Diagnostic Interim 2020-21. And then notice this person also has LEAP 2025 practice tests as well. So that's all I want you to do. Now also, the make sure that your school is correct, because I could have made an error when I signed your school. So if this is not correct, there should only be one school for this person. If this is not correct, then let me know, because I got to put you in the right school. Otherwise, you'll have access to the wrong students. And then again, this is where you're going to create your test session. So if you've done this before, you remember add session down here, you got to scroll down, and so forth. So what I want you to do next is see where it says up here. I don't know if you can see this. It says FS for the initials of the person I'm using. If you click on that, this is where you could edit your profile. So if you go to Edit Profile, this is where you could change your name. If your name changed for some reason, you can change your email address. But remember, your username is the one that was originally assigned to you in DRC. So that all this does, if you change your email address, is that if you forgot your password, then it will be sent to this email address. So be careful. it is best if you keep your email address, your EBR email address. All right, so make sure you keep it as your EBR email address. Um, and then the other thing I want you to look at is a password. So if for some reason you want to change your password, you can do that here. And then your user agreements. If whenever you if this is your first time ever going into DRC, then there's going to be an agreement you're going to have to sign. So basically, you're just going to scroll down and say something. I think it's I accept this agreement and submit. So this person's already done that. So if you click on it, you'll see what it looks like. So this is a user agreement for using DRC. Okay, so that's your first task, and that's all I want you to do at this point. That's the end of this video for that task.